My bad, we gotta make that turn back there. Yep. Sorry, guys. Oh boy, here we go. Yeah, this is the reason why I don't like to lead these things, my friend. Oh, hell yeah. No, not at all. Ooh. Okay. You're good, you're good. I'm coming. It's just slippery. Hold on. I'll get you. I'll help you. You want to get the back? Let me get the back in. Yep. Hold on. We're good. You got it? I got you. Okay. You tell me when you're ready. I'll try to help push it a little bit. I got you. You're good. Okay. We got more people down, so hold on. Oh shit. I'm all over the place here. I'll be back. Hey, we said we'd have an adventure today, didn't we? Dude, he's got to get down to like 15, 18 pounds in that rear tire on that bitch. He said he had 45 pounds in it. Dude, you'd be bouncing, can't get anything. Probably need to take that front down probably to 25. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You got it, you got it. You got it. Yeah, yeah. Woo! All right, big bike time. Come on, Ben, you got this, baby. Nice job, bro. Nice job. Woohoo! Larry, 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 Larry. Hey, Ryan. You know, since Ben did it, Larry's got to do it now. Yep. Larry's got this all day long, baby. Attaboy! Larry on that Pan America. Oh, Ben went right back down the hill.
Well, what happened? That's not the trail.
Hey, wrong way!
Just showing off.
Ben, wrong way! Hey, show off! Yeah, exactly. That. Hey, Ryan! Ryan! Hey, tell Ben he doesn't have to show off like that. All right, Bender Goo here, folks. Bender Goo. Oh shit, my glove went right down there. Run him over, Ben. Just run him over. All right, come on. Attaboy. Get some. Oh shit, almost fell down the hill. Ryan, you good? With the comms. Okay. Watch out, another one coming up here. That's gonna be a rough one for somebody. Woo!
Don't stop.
You gotta just keep duck walking it, keep on it. Keep on it. You're all right. Just keep engaged, keep it going. Keep the momentum, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Ride it, stay on it. You got a tough turn at the top, keep going. You got it. Coming up, guys, coming up there. Help them out. Keep your momentum at the top on the turn. Keep your momentum at the top on the turn.
Say it again.
Keep your momentum going when you go make around the turn because you got another little rock ledge. You got this. You got it, big dog. All the way. Keep that momentum at the top.
should have been here for his. So far, the most exciting one.
Oh, really?
Rode the bike up. It was awesome.
I love it.
You got about 2 feet. Hey, you got about 2 feet of your rear wheel hitting the rock. You got to really give her momentum.
Back it up just a little.
Yep, so now we've got the data. Go ahead, bump over that. Roll back a little bit.
Yeah, back a little bit more.
Get eyes forward. Anticipate where that rock is and bump through it.
Oh, almost. Yeah, almost had it. You almost had it.
Right there,
You're good
there.
now.
What
Attaboy.
Like,
Okay.
coming up.
Oh, shit.
Almost.
You okay? You like okay?
Go ahead. Thank you. There you go.
You're good, right? Oh. I was gonna say, yeah.
Now we got some. This will be fun.
I was gonna say, keep that front wheel on the top.
There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah, you got this all day long. Hell of a rider, man.
That's what $8,000 suspension will get you.
Hell of a rider. All right, now, who's the one that's gonna? Or we're gonna take it. We're gonna take a bet on this. Who's going to go down? I'm gonna say I'm going with Ben.
Ben will make it?
No.
Or we go down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything, Larry.
Yeah. Let's say Ben will get about halfway. Larry will get the left line.
Okay.
Make
All
that
right.
tonight
All right.
look bad.
I'm hoping Ben that you prove me wrong, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Except for you just stalled it out about there. So
Gotta start the bike first. Yeah.
I don't think Ben's liking the fact that I'm filming this either. So let's.
We gotta back up for the boxer.
Yeah.
Give it room.
I win. He didn't even get here.
Not even to the hard part yet.
I gave you at least halfway when we said you're gonna be.
I win! I win!
You want us to help you out?
You need help?
Okay.
You know, I was going to tell you to drop those bags back at the,
Well, that's what's keeping it up too.
Does it really qualify? Because he really only went about 5 feet.
Okay.
Sorry, Ben.
This is take two.
Sorry, Ben.
Take two.
Take two. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
I don't know. He's proving a little more difficult. It's slippery out here.
Look at Larry. Hey, Larry, don't be covering up back there. You're supposed to be helping push him. Come on, baby. Watch all of us leave, and then we'll leave Larry here by himself.
I'm holding on. We got matching shirts. I gotta be here for Larry.
All right, big dog. I got you. You're all on. You're ready to go. You guys didn't realize what you're getting yourselves into today, did you? Oh man, you hit that thing with your. Luckily enough.
What we call engine brake.
Yeah, exactly, dude. That sucks.
If you go back about 4 feet, that's really good traction down there.
Huh.
You had it too until
Yeah.
till you clipped the.
Yeah.
We knew that boxer was going to be the issue.
That's where I said he was going to knock it. It's tough. You have to like do the lean.
Yeah, you got to do the lean thing, and you're good at leaning, buddy. Come on, you got this.
Here we go.
got it. You cleared it. Oh, nice job, dude. You did a hell of a job there, buddy.
That was ugly, but
Yes. Hey, it doesn't matter. You got
nothing in
past
the book
it.
says it has to be pretty right
Yeah,
now.
here.
No, it's the matter of just going.
Yeah, let me try it
Okay.
first.
You going backwards again?
No, he doesn't
now
want
that
to
I'm
pass that
cleared
route.
this, I'm gonna
He
see.
doesn't want to pass that route again. He's right there.
Son of a biscuit.
Yeah, she's as slippery as whale shit. All right, let's drop this thing down in there.
I'm ready. I got good traction here.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Good job. Nice. And then the goal.
Haven't gotten this far.
All right, so you'll be fine here. When you start going around the curve to go up, there's one little bit of route. It shouldn't be much for you. Just keep your momentum. Sorry, I'm coming up.
He's coming this line, so.
Larry on the Pan America. Oh yeah, look at him.
Here we go. All dead.
Fucking man, myth, and
Made the
legend.
scenario look bad.
Man, myth, legend. Big drop off in tree roots. Yep. You're gonna have a hard one coming up that road. Oh no, you're not yet. It's got a big, you got some. Okay. Hold on, you got the KTM stuck. And now the GS is stuck. Nice job, Dave, nice job. Nice job, guys. Woohoo! I hear him. I hear him. We got everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep.